Gone busy.
I believe that the continuity between a range of productions within my project is one of the reasons that has been successful. The use of the same colours, themes and images allowed the products to contain a house style and therefore making each product recognisable from each other to the viewer. Firstly, the use of similar colours was a key aspect to both texts. The magazine advert and the digipak both had a clear link between them since that they both used the same features in a different layout. This was important to do since that if the audience see the magazine advert, they will know exactly what to look for when buying the CD because they both look very similar. However, it was more difficult to create continuity between the ancillary text and the video due to them being different forms of media. Nevertheless, I was still able to achieve this by using some similar aspects across both productions. First of all, the hue shifted hands are used in both the digipak and the video, and by keeping them one of the main aspects in both texts, I was able to create a clear link between the two different forms of media. Another common aspect was the same model. The video had only one character, and so it was essential to include the same model on the album cover. By combining the side portrait of the model with the hands from the video, I was able to show the two main aspects of the video through the album cover, and therefore giving something for the audience of the video to recognise on the album cover when trying to purchase the song. I also used a coloured gradient on the digipak, of which I sampled colours from the video directly. This gave the album art the same colour scheme as the video, which was very important since that the colours were one of the main ways I communicated the emotions of the song across to the audience, and therefore by making the colour scheme the same, it ensured that both texts are conveying the same emotion to the audience in order to represent the song effectively. There were also some small adjustments that were made to both products in order to create continuity, such as adding noise to both the video and the album cover. Although many may not even notice this, adding it allowed to create more of a house style between the two products and even made them slightly more interesting as it adds texture to the image. Additionally, I used the same logo and title across both products to keep a form of branding for the song, which would be very useful for the advertising of the track. The sans serif font gives a simplistic feel to the title and also makes it easier to read, which is essential if I am to be marketing the song effectively. The uppercase lettering gives the connotations of strong and bold, which represents the artist in a positive and confident way, which is important to the status of the artist. This is because the artist is not a huge name in the EDM scene, and so it's crucial that he is represented as powerful and bold to compete against other artists on his level in the industry. Overall, I am pleased with how my main task works in concurrence with the ancillary tasks. By using similar features and styles across both products, I was able to successfully link the two productions together, make them easily recognisable to the target audience.